You wake up tired, check your phone, scroll for 45 minutes, buy coffee you don't remember drinking, promise yourself you'll start saving next month, and somehow, years pass. Meanwhile, someone else, same age, same income, same starting point, quietly builds wealth while you stay stuck in survival mode. Why? Because getting rich is rarely about one big decision. It's about daily habits, tiny actions repeated every single day that either build your future or destroy it. In this video, we're breaking down 7 daily habits that silently keep people poor and how to replace them with habits that actually build wealth. Stay until the end, because habit number 6 is probably destroying more futures than student loans. The fastest way to stay poor: trying to look rich. Designer clothes, car payments you can barely afford, luxury dinners for Instagram. The truth is, most wealthy people don't look wealthy. And most people trying to look wealthy are drowning financially. Every dollar spent on appearances is a dollar that can't grow. Fix. Stop asking, "Does this make me look successful?" Start asking, "Will this make me financially free?" Money disappears wherever attention disappears. Small purchases like $8 coffee or random Amazon orders stack up to thousands every year. It's like a leak in a pipe you ignore until the ceiling collapses. Wealthy people track money because what gets measured improves. Fix. Track every dollar for 30 days. Awareness creates control, and control creates wealth. Most people begin their mornings by consuming TikTok, news, and drama. This sets an emotional direction of distraction. Successful people create before they consume. They work on skills, business ideas, or goals before the world distracts them. Fix. For the first 30 minutes after waking up, no social media. Read, exercise, or plan your day instead. You get a raise, so you upgrade the car and the apartment. Expenses rise to match your income, so you still feel broke. Wealth isn't about income, it's about the gap between what you earn and what you keep. Fix. Every time your income increases, save and invest the majority of the raise. Don't use raises to buy bigger bills. School doesn't teach how money works. Many adults avoid learning about investing, taxes, or compound interest because it feels boring. But ignorance is expensive. Your income grows when your knowledge grows. Fix. Read one financial book or learn one high-income skill. The wealthy learn first, then earn more. This is a major financial killer. People wait to invest or start a business until they feel ready. The perfect time never comes. Wealth rewards speed and consistency, not perfection. Fix. Start scared, start messy, but start now. Action changes lives, while preparation mode keeps you stuck. Poor habits focus on today. Wealthy habits focus on the future. Real wealth is built slowly and boringly through daily discipline and delayed gratification. Fix. Instead of asking what feels good right now, ask what creates freedom later. 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself for starting today or regret wasting more time. If you want to build a life most people only dream about, subscribe for more. Comment below, which habit is keeping most people poor today? I'll see you in the next video.